some level of job protection association. Are you getting it? So I'm not disappointed.
Already you're sounding bitter. Job protection.
Oh, now is it not a fact? Is it not a fact?
I mean, these are the delegates. I mean, senior.
Oh yes. And I'm telling you, is it not a fact? Is it not a fact? Are they not ministers? Are they not? Party executives? Are they not? Government officials?
What would you have said if they voted for you?
I am telling you that we know. You know that Article 13(9), which is stating that we should go and then do a short list. This is not an election to give you the flag to lead the party. This is a short listing, and we need 5 people. Are we out of the 5? I am part of the 5. So why should I be?
Even here at this center,
I say why should I be disappointed?
At this center, Kennedy takes ahead of them.
Are we out of the 5?
Yeah,
in the center. Are we out of the 5?
So are you
cannot say we are disappointed. We are not.
Are you confident enough moving into November?
Why not? Look, go down and then do your own research. Look, these elections up to November 4th is like a pyramid. These upper class, they are the top. And when you go to the polling station, they are the base. Over 208,000 are going to decide. 900 and something. Here, putting all together is about 0.004% of the total vote that is going to decide on November 4th. So how should I be disappointed?
Don't you think that this executive have influence on the polling?
What will you be doing?
I am an ordinary party member. I don't hold any executive position, so I'm free to support. And that is my candidate. I am supporting him till delegates give him the flag to lead. He's going to win.
Don't you think
that is a fallacy. When we went to IMF, did you hear any government official apart from Alan Chemantin moving to TV and radio defending the IMF? Did you hear any other person? Apart from Alan Chemantin, who went to radio or TV to defend the IMF there? It was only Alan Chemantin. So if you say he has failed to, where from that? Where from that? Have you ever seen Vice President talking about economy this time before?
Are you going to revise your strategy moving forward?
Oh, we have our strategy and the same strategy. We are moving with the same strategy. We are going to win November 4th. That one, not 2 ways about that.
Same strategy about 60%.
That's it. It seems maybe you just joined. When I so we are okay. We are okay with the results. We are okay.